Hello again, everyone, and welcome. My name's Les. I hope you're all well and in good health. Today we're going to be carrying on with our ESP32 playlist, and this time we're going to be using the 8 LED RGB module, and what we're going to be doing, we're going to be controlling that with a potentiometer. Okay, so let's have a look. Here we are. This is our setup. First of all, we'll look at the 8 LED module. I've got the FreeNove one. Okay, just to remind you, if you haven't got your kits yet, I've got a couple of links below for your kits. Go to the Sunfounder, but I've also got another link to a company called Elecro, and they've got all the boards. They've even got the Raspberry Pi 4 model 4B at reasonable prices, around $65, I think, for the 4 gig. All right, and you know, as we move on with our projects after we've done the modules, there's certain modules that you'll have to purchase for the big projects, and that's a good place to get them. Anyway, enough of that. Let's look at this. As you can see, we got our in and we got our out. Remember, I told you last time that we can have these in a daisy chain. But we got 3 pins. We got ground, 3.3 volts, and signal. All right, so the ground obviously goes to ground, 3.3 volts goes to 3.3 volts, and our signal goes to GPIO pin 2. GPIO pin 2. Let's put that there out the way. And then we got our potentiometer. The right leg goes to 3.3 volts. The left leg goes to ground. The middle pin, the signal pin, goes to GPIO 13. GPIO 13. Okie doke. Right, so let's get on to this view. Yep. And let's do our variables first. Now, remembering I have got the FreeNove board. Whatever 8 LEDs you get, whatever model, you need to install the library. All right. And my library is the FreeNove WS2812 lib. Okay, for the ESP32. All right, so whatever strip you get, you need to download that library. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is include the library. So it's hashtag space colons, and it's FreeNove underscore WS2812 underscore lib underscore 4, okay, underscore ESP32 dot H. All right, and then we come outside of the quotes. All right, so that's my library that I'm going to include. Yours may be different. All right, so now we're going to do our variables. Define. All right, space. I'm going to call mine pin underscore pot. All right, and remembering we put that on 13. Right, and that defines the analog input pin. Okay, and it's hashtag define LEDs underscore count. All right, underscore count. And remember, we put that, the number of LEDs. You could have 10, you could have 12, but mine's got 8. All right, so it's the number of LEDs you've got. Hashtag define. All right, now we want to define our LED pin. So LEDs underscore pin. And remember, we put that on 2. Enter. Now we need to set the RMT module channel. All right, so it's hashtag define channel, all capitals, and we're going to define that to 0. And the last variable is brightness. So it's hashtag define brightness. All right, and we're going to put that in the middle. Remember, we can go from 0 to 255 with 8 bits. All right, to 8 bits. We're going to put it in the middle, about 100. All right. Now, again, this is board specific. Board specific. So it's Freenove. All right. Underscore ESP32. Underscore. Remember, this is LED specific. And mine's WS2812. 2812 space strip space equals space of Freenove. Right, Freenove underscore ESP32 underscore WS 2812 brackets on LEDs underscore count. All right. Oh dear. LEDs underscore count brackets on space LEDs underscore pin comma space channel comma space type, okay, underscore, and it's GRB. All right, GRB, come out outside the brackets, semicolon. All right, just check in. LEDs count, LED pin, channel. Right, okay, enter. All right, so that's our variables done. That's our variables done. Let's come to our void setup. Things we only want done once. In between the curly brackets. And strip dot set brightness, capital B on the brightness, brackets on, and it's brightness, all capitals. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter, strip dot begin, brackets on, brackets off, semicolon. Okay, that's our void setup. Things we only want to happen once. Things we want to happen all the time, the void loop. Okay, goes in between the curly brackets. Let's enter. Let me come down on my notes. And the first thing is it's an int. Color. Position. All right. Color position equals map. Brackets on. And it's an analog read. Don't forget the capital on the read. Brackets on. And it's pin underscore pot. All right. Come outside the brackets. Comma. Space. 0, comma. Space. 4095. Comma. Space. 0, comma. Space 255. Okay. So pin underscore pot. Yep. Brackets on. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. All right. Okay. So next we got a for statement. For. Brackets on. Int. I equals 0. Semicolon. Space I. Space less than. Space. LEDs underscore counts. Count. All right. Semicolon. Space. I plus plus. Come outside the brackets, remembering after a for statement, no semicolon, curly brackets on, enter. Just checking that. I less than LEDs underscore count, semicolon. Right, okay. So we've done the for. Strip. All right. Dot set LED, capital L on the LED, color, capital C on the color, data, capital D on the data. Set color data, brackets on, I, comma. Just check this. Strip. Dot. Wheel. Capital H. It's capital W on the wheel. Brackets on. Color. Notice color. Capital P. Color POS. Color is the American way of spelling. Plus. I. Star for times. 255. /8. Come outside the brackets, come outside the brackets, semicolon. So that sets the color data, as it says here. Sets the color data. So that's the void loop. All right, that's the void loop. Come outside the curly brackets. Sorry, that's the for statement. Come outside the curly brackets. Strip. Dot show. Okay, strip dot show, brackets on, brackets off, semicolon. Then send the color data to the LED and display. All right. And finally, delay, brackets on. Remember, it's milliseconds for 10 milliseconds. Brackets off, come outside, semicolon. All right. I'm just checking that for statement again. 255 semicolons. 4 int 0 I less than LEDs underscore count, semicolon. Right. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's upload it. Let's upload it. Fingers crossed. Okay. All right, let's check that. Brackets on freenove underscore ws2812 underscore lib underscore 4 underscore ESP32.h. You know what I forgot? Include. Okay, I forgot the include. Don't forget that. And let's try again. Hopefully. Looks okay so far. Yeah, so we only had that one issue, the hashtag include. Let's upload it. It's uploading. Okay. It's okay. Come on. And we're uploading. Let's get everything ready. And we're at 100%. Okay. Let me go to overhead. And let's show you it working. Okay, let's get this the way you can see. So if I turn the potentiometer, you can see that we can set where the LED starts. All right, what color we want the LED to start at. All right, as I said before, the overall logical structure is the same as our previous rainbow project, but now we can control it with a potentiometer. All right, we can control it with a potentiometer. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.